This is my 1999 Husqvarna YTH 150. It is really old, but really sick. Everything on it has been done to it as well. I'm gonna go over every single thing that's been done to this by the previous owner. The previous owner, he buys lawnmowers and fixes them up and then resells them for really good prices. So he put a new battery in this to start with. The starter was completely serviced. All safety switches have been checked. The seat was replaced, got a brand new seat on there. Fuel filter change, fuel shutoff valve added. So there's a fuel shutoff valve which just doesn't come with that. It's really nice that he's done all that, and he's also done all new fuel lines as well. Fuel tank, which is back here, has been removed and cleaned. The carburetor was removed, disassembled and cleaned. Gaskets and seal replaced, reassembled and reinstalled. The flywheel key and timing checked and adjusted. Spark plug has been changed. Oil change, oil filter change, air filter checked and cleaned. Mower deck removed and checked. Blade spindles were moving fine with no noise. 2 idler bearings were serviced. Blades were sharpened. Blade belt was checked. The drive belt was replaced. Inner tubes were installed on front wheels. New valve stems on rear wheels. All wheels and wheel bearings were cleaned and lubed, including front axle. Steering bushings were replaced. Used tires put on as well, because before the old ones were all flat, and so they're used, but they're pretty much new. Like, they look really good. Basically everything that can be touched on this mower has been touched and has been checked and replaced and cleaned. The only problem with it is some rust here and there, but it does not really matter. The thing overall is just really awesome to use. You got your choke up here, your main drive right there, ignition switch. This to lower and raise your blade. That's the forward, neutral, and reverse. And then you got your brake / clutch right there. And then this can adjust the blades up or down depending on how low or high you want to cut. It has a cup holder as well, which is awesome just to chill out on a hot summer day, cutting your grass, and or I can hook up stuff to the back of this. I was actually thinking about hooking up a small wagon to carry stuff with and or have the kids in. I think that'd be kind of funny. Things can just go up this hill. This is a pretty steep hill. On camera it doesn't look that steep, but yeah, my backyard is pretty hell to mow, and my front yard is too. Other than that, I love this thing. This is basically what getting old looks like, being so excited over a riding lawnmower. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, so let's go like that. Brand new ones go for like over $2,000, and I was not about to buy a brand new one. I thought it was pretty cool that I can get one from the 90s. And knowing how well serviced it was by someone who literally buys mowers just to redo everything on them and resell them. And he lives like a mile away from me, so if I ever need help with it, he said that I can message him and he can come over and look at it. But he said that I should have no problems with it for a long time to come, as long as I keep up with maintenance, which I will be. That is pretty much it. It's just a random video. I got drifting coming up pretty soon, so I gotta check over my BRZ and see what it needs. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.